MatterPort and One X in our first VR tour. My name is Adriano Araujo and this is the millionmiler.club. Starting now, we did the recording for this new house. It's from my friend from First Quality Floors, Wallison. He actually took me to the house to take some pictures and start the work there. So this is the whole thing. I had about 100 plus pictures that I've taken. Now I need to define a couple things, and one of the things that's very important is to define windows, because windows and mirrors, they cause the image to be a little crooked or whatever, and they need to actually figure out that's what it is, and then mark those. So I marked some over here. This is the room in the back. It's got a view through the grass, and I think you might be able to see the grass from one of these pictures here. Yeah, you can. So there's a lawn in the back. There's the kitchen over there, and there's other rooms. The rooms on the bottom I didn't really scan other than the first two ones, the entrance rooms, but I did go to the second floor and everything. So then I gotta continue doing the work, which is marking the windows. So there's a mirror on the top, there's a window, there's a cut so you can cut something out. So let me do this one. I did it a little long, as you can see. So I come back all the way over here and do it over here. So I'll go to the next one. I have some windows over here too. I can start from the beginning, go to the end, and then rearrange if I need to. Same thing, I'm gonna do the next one. But I definitely getting the hang of it, so because it's such an easy system to use. You see some of the pictures, there's actually people inside. So let's say, I think this one, there was a guy who was working right there. So, I probably need to mark those things out. So I don't know how I'm gonna do that, but at the end of the day, this is only going to video. I'm not gonna post this anywhere, so I can actually make the changes there. Next step, we go to the website. After finalizing the editing within the iPhone, I came into the MatterPort Cloud application. It's a web app that you can actually edit everything over it. So clicking on the house test, I can see what I posted. I made this as the first image. Hopefully I wouldn't have anybody in here when I'm actually exposing this to a customer base. I would also not have all the tools, and this would be finalized, but in here I can actually explore the 3D space, and it has the little dollhouse on the outside, and then it comes right into the location. I'm gonna go upstairs, and if I go upstairs again, I'll be right here. You saw me on that picture over there. I was obviously taking this with the short time that I had to make this video, and so you're gonna see me in some of the pictures. But this is a beautiful house. I mean, the trimming on the house is beautiful. The floor they're doing is really gonna look great. You can see me over there again. You come in to rooms and you can click and you see the rooms around it. You can see all the bathrooms and everything else. So obviously the more elaborated you are with the video, I mean with the pictures you're taking, the better the results are gonna be. But at the end of the day, you can pretty much see the beauty of this house, and if this was a finished house, it would be even a better result for somebody just doing the VR tour. And if you have the glasses and everything, it would be even better. But you can come into rooms, you can look at the rooms and the closets and see the size of the closets. You can see the outside of the windows. In this case, they have a big backyard in there. I mean, my dog would love this. Draco would be just having so much fun. So coming to this room over here, you can see it's a mid-sized room which has some of the ceiling features with the roof, and it has a little window in there. You can see it outside. I didn't go do any close-ups, but you can pretty much see it over there. And this has got a jock and jill. You can see also in here you got a small closet, but you go to the bathroom, you see there's a shower, and then you can come out in the other room. You can see the outside. So it really makes it easy for you to have a virtual reality tour. I didn't have to do a lot of work on this, but then also it gave me pictures that I can actually use for my customers. And again, those pictures, some of them I have to do some fixing and everything else, but at the same time I looked at the camera and it had all the original pictures in there, so I'm sure I can use those pictures in the resolution they are and make more photos. I don't know if I would use those as the final photos for the listing. I would probably do a run with the 360 camera and then come around and do the normal DSLR pictures that will make a lot better result for you to view the house and view the beauty of the house. It also creates some videos, and those videos you can actually bulk them in and have a final editing. There's some cost on those things. I mean, the options you get, the more you pay. Like for instance, you can get a floor plan, but you have to buy it. There's a matter pack, and that matter pack has additional things for for what you just created. And then you have the details of the house, presented by who, what's the name of the house, what's the external URL that you can see this address, this thing, and then the address and everything else. So in the listing, this would be important to have the right information. Then you can see statistics, how many impressions you had, how many visits you had, how many unique visitors you have. This thing I showed to some of our customers, and so they could see what we are actually going to start offering. So I already had 42 impressions, 40 visits, and 14 unique visitors. But you can have analytics of what is going on. You can invite collaborators, and that will allow you to have somebody else taking pictures and everything. You can make this space public, so when you do that, after you click this, people can actually see what you rendered. You can share it. There's more information there, which is move to folder, transfer space, and there's other things for apps, which is publishing to Google Street View, and it's getting really trendy. People publishing to Google Street View. You can publish to realtor.com, to homes.com, or to their real estate partners, which I'm not gonna click there, but you get the picture. Alright, the next thing I have to show is the public page that you can share with your customers. Which it comes to the loading, you see the dollhouse, and then it comes to the zoom in. In there it has your information, it has more information about what you're presenting, the contact phone numbers and everything. But then you can actually go and do the VR tour. So this is the customer side of it. You know, you are gonna host this somewhere, you put a link on a page, but this is the other side of it. Pretty interesting, huh? I'm gonna end it here, and I'll see you next time on a fully finished house.